and it's free, forever free, and it works perfectly. I have 2 of these accounts. Hey boss babes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get a free business address without paying a single penny, any monthly fees, or having to maintain it with any kinds of monetary obligations. Now before I get started, I just want to talk about why having a professional email is so important. So first things first, of course, in general, when you're reaching out for inquiries or you're trying to collaborate with somebody or you're trying to find some influencers to work with, it's going to look a lot more professional when you are having a business email rather than emailing somebody from a Gmail, an Outlook, or a Yahoo account or something like that. So that is the first reason why having a business email is so important, and it can just put you on a whole nother level than other businesses who are still using Gmail accounts and things like that. Now the second reason why it's so important is because from a security standpoint, if you made, let's say, a Gmail account for your business and you wanted to email people from that, well, if you can make a Gmail account for your business, what's going to stop a scammer from making an Outlook account for your business and trying to scam your customers that way? So that is the top 2 reasons why I highly recommend that you do a business account. And if there's a free plan out there that works just the same way as Gmail does or Outlook or any of these other platforms, then why not do it, and why not expose this to you guys so y'all can ball out like me? So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to a website called zohomail.com. Now Zoho Mail is a cloud-based platform, and apparently it's been in the game forever and nobody has been talking about it. The only thing that you're going to have to do before you sign up for this email is you're going to need to have a domain. Now if you already have a domain, aka your website, then this method is going to be 110% free to you. And if you don't, you do have to go ahead and go over to GoDaddy or another domain provider and purchase a domain from there. Now let me just throw in a quick little tip for you guys and tell you that if you go ahead and go over to GoDaddy, you can actually get your very first domain for just 1 penny a year. And then after that, it's going to renew for about $20 a year, and then you can just keep it from there and nobody else can steal your business name. So that is one little tip I have for you guys, and you do need to do this before we start out. But other than that, this method is 100% free if you already have your website. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to zohomail.com, and from there you're going to click on pricing. When you see the pricing tiers, do not click on any of them. Just keep scrolling down and you're going to see a plan that says forever free. So go ahead and click that and click on try it out. And just so you guys know, the free plan, it does not allow email forwarding, which would basically mean, let's say a customer wanted to send an email to your professional email, and from there you wanted it to be forwarded to your Gmail address so you can check it on your Gmail app and reply from there as that business. It does not allow that, but the good news is they do have an app that you can use, and it's just as easy as checking it from a Gmail, so it's not that important. The other thing is they allow up to 5 gigabytes of email, and that's actually way more than enough if you're just starting out. And unless you're being slammed with customer emails from the first day of your business, this should not be a problem at all, because I've been using it for months and I pretty much just use it for inquiries, to reach out to customers, and customer service. So as a small business, this is going to be way more than enough to get you started, and you can always upgrade from there, where their other plans are $1, $3, or $5, I believe. So either way, it's really affordable and it's not expensive to get started, and it's free, forever free, and it works perfectly. I have 2 of these accounts. So once you click try it out and you sign up, they're going to go ahead and have you connect it to your domain, and then from there you're going to configure it, and it's really just a straightforward, easy process. With that being said, that is exactly how you guys are going to get a free business email. And if this video helped you out and if you found this information valuable, make sure to let me know in the comments below, because it'll push out the algorithm. And if you could also like and subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me, as it will help me to keep pushing out these videos for free and to keep providing you guys with valuable information without charging anything. With that being said, I just want to say thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!